Alright, so I'm back at the shop trying to get this thing started. Trying to kind of diagnose why it's not starting. The guy said it runs, but bad. But right now I'm just testing it. Got some, some stuff. Gotta open that real quick. Spray some in there. Should see it starts up. Oh, don't. Seems like it might not be getting fuel. Alright, we'll start back up later. Alrighty, so just got back from the parts store, picked up some new plugs. They're the same ones as the ones that were in it. They were actually like pre-gapped, which is pretty cool. So basically, I got the old MAF back in. It was actually just missing screws that holds the sensor part, like the plug in. So I put the screws in to that. Here are the old plugs. If it focuses, it's pretty fouled, honestly. I mean, it was like, running pig rich and whatnot. So I figured, I don't know when these were last changed. So might as well just go and change them. I'm going to spray a little bit of brake fluid in there. It's basically the same shit as ether. And then I'm going to try and give her a start. Come on. Alright. Let's see what she does. Hopefully she purrs like a kitten. Get the kill switch. There we go. And then, get a little pedal. It's like even worse. Nothing. Alright. A little more ether, I guess. I put the RS enthalpy ECU back in just because I figured if I get it running, I want it running on that. But I'm gonna spray some more ether in this. Alright. Got some more in there. Ugh. Come on, you fuck. Alrighty. Let's see what we got. Oh! Fucking Jesus. Oh. So, that's nice. Alright, so I got it running. It's on the pink label MAF. That guy right there. Which I do not have plugged in. Alrighty. Well, this thing runs like shit. Smoking a little bit less now, though.